Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the borders from the last page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my documents has 4 blank page. Now you can see here are page borders in first page. Now I add these borders to all pages. Select these borders, then go to format menu. Now you can see here are insert menu. Now you can see here are headers and footers options. Click these headers options. Now select these borders, then move on this up to header. Now you can see I add these borders to all page. Now I remove the borders from the last page. Go to last page and select this third page. Then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Click this section break next page. Click on it. Now again go to insert menu. Now click again go to break option. Now press section break to next page. Now you can see here, now go to fourth page, then double click to this headers options. Now you can see here are options to different first page. Now click on this box. Now you can see I remove borders from last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.